Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to clone a post in WordPress. Log in to WordPress. On the left sidebar, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the Search Plugins text box, search for Yoast Duplicate Post. Click on Install Now to install this plugin. This process may take some time. Once done, click on Activate to activate the plugin. You can see the plugin gets activated. Now go to Posts and click on All Posts. If you want to clone this post, then point the cursor over the title of the post and click on Clone. Clone and duplicate are one and the same thing. This one is the clone or duplicate version of this original post. To avoid confusion, it is better to rename your duplicate post right away. To rename your duplicate post, click on Quick Edit and enter the title name as per your choice. Here, we are using title name as Hello World Clone. Make sure the title you enter must not match the original post. Now, click on Update. That's how you can clone a post in WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.